Welcome back to Skyway Classic Cars, and today we have a beautiful representation of a 1967 Corvette. If you take a look at the interior and exterior, this is a very high dollar finish. This was done a few years ago, but it has a really nice sheen to it. It buffed out beautifully. If you take a look at the vehicle, all the chrome, there is no pitting. It's newer chrome, has a new top on it, and all the body lines are straight and beautiful on this car. This car has been lovingly taken care of, and it's got the knockoff Kelsey wheels, mag wheels. It's got the split rear bumper with the metal trim. And if you take a look at all the chrome and all the trim pieces on the car, they're all shiny and they buff out really well. And this car just gives an awesome presence. Now, if we want to go into the interior here, again, in the same condition that the exterior's in, excellent example of a Corvette.
Yes, it is.
All the gauges, they're beautiful, all clear, no cracks. It has cold AC, vintage air, and it's a 4-speed, so this baby cooks and moves when you want it to.
It really is in immaculate condition, exterior and interior, and even underneath, honestly. So as usual, we're gonna go ahead and get the engine started. We'll take it for a test spin, and then we will bring it back and take a look underneath. Go ahead.
Okay, everybody, we are back and about ready to start this puppy.
All right. All right.
All right.
This car drives beautifully. I drove it myself, and it is so nice.
This is definitely a classic that is worth driving. For a 67 Corvette, it actually handles exceptional.
Absolutely.
And I've driven a lot of these.
Yes.
There is no pull on the steering wheel. It is straight.
Awesome.
This car, as you can see, if you look at the dash, all the gauges are working. This car has been lovingly taken care of. In addition to that, it shows and presents very well.
Absolutely.
Now, I really want to gun it through this corner here, but I've been warned not to. I am going to give it a little bit of gas.
Absolutely. Let's get it through the gears.
Oof. Shifts how it should, drives nice
and smooth,
and
it's beautiful.
It's not loud.
Yep, it's nice and quiet.
For a 350 engine that has 365 horse, those are not as common, these Corvettes.
Sure.
They're usually 327s.
Okay.
So to have a 350 with 365 horse and a 4-speed, yeah. All right.
There we go.
Get her moving. Definitely feeling the pull on every gear that I shift into.
Awesome.
So this is definitely one that you need to take a look at, and it's definitely a very awesome car.
Solid. Well, thank you, David. We're gonna go ahead and flip it around. We'll get it up on the hoist and we'll take a look underneath. Thanks for tuning in. We just want to elaborate that we were wrong. It is not a 67. This is a 1964 Corvette. Come check us out, Skyway Classics.